the voices that have been growing, especially when it comes to the TMC leaders who have been saying that the face of the opposition should be led by a stronger individual, a politician who has a track record of defeating the BJP. The divide now within the India bloc that seems to have armed the BJP, which is now directly targeting Rahul Gandhi, saying that even his own allies don't have any faith in his leadership or in his face, that he continues to be the one who leads the opposition as the Congress party remains the biggest party in the opposition.
लालू प्रसाद यादव जी तो शुरू से मतलबी रहे, सोनिया गांधी के आंचल में पहले खेला रहा और अब लग रहा है तब दूसरे आंचल में जाएंगे। लेकिन कौन ममता बनर्जी है? वही ममता बनर्जी जो बंगाल को बांग्लादेश बना रही है। पहले वो रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को चिन्हित करके बाहर करे, बांग्लादेशियों को बाहर करे। ममता बनर्जी का चेहरा मुस्लिम परस्त और देश विरोधी चेहरा।
एक और अविश्वास प्रस्ताव नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ। आरजेडी ने भी बोल दिया कि क्या दिक्कत है अगर ममता बनर्जी को इंडिया अलायंस का नेता बना दिया जाए, कांग्रेस के विरोध करने से क्या फर्क पड़ता है। कल समाजवादी पार्टी ने कहा कि राहुल गांधी से नहीं हो पाएगा, राहुल गांधी 55 के हैं, बातें बचपन वाली करते हैं। टीएमसी ने पहले ही कह दिया कि इनको हटाओ और ममता दीदी को बनाओ। लेफ्ट ने भी यही बात कही है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है वो अनअकोमोडेटिंग है। इसका मतलब साफ है कि जनता से रिजेक्ट होने के बाद अब कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने एलाइज से भी रिजेक्ट हो रही है।
All right, Sabyasachi, direct endorsement coming in from Mamata Banerjee to lead the opposition bloc, and these leaders are not the middle or the lower rung leaders of the opposition bloc. These are veterans that we are talking about, whether be it Sharad Pawar and even now Lalu Prasad Yadav.
Well, that's right. The veterans of the India bloc are coming out in support of Mamata Banerjee. In fact, Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav openly endorsed for Mamata Banerjee to be the next leader of the India bloc. In fact, he said that the Congress objection in making Mamata Banerjee the leader of the India bloc is meaningless. In fact, Sharad Pawar also supported Mamata Banerjee to be the leader of the India bloc. See, several leaders from the Trinamool Congress has been speaking about Mamata Banerjee, about her track records, that she has been successful in defeating the BJP so many times. She has been a 7-time MLA and a 4-time union minister, as well as a 3rd serving time chief minister, and the 4th time is also coming in. So clear-cut support coming in, whether it is from the Trinamool Congress or the other important prominent leaders of the India bloc, clearly supporting Mamata Banerjee to lead the India alliance. On the other hand, the Congress is adamant on the fact that the only leader which can lead the India bloc and the only political party which has their presence at the national stage is the Congress party, and they would not indulge in a war of words with the other alliance partner in this regard, but they would continue to support Mr. Rahul Gandhi to lead the India bloc. Meanwhile, the Trinamool Congress says we had seen the track record of Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Congress, and the people of the country and other political parties of the India bloc had given enough opportunities to the Congress party, be it in the state of Haryana or in the state of Maharashtra, and they have failed. In fact, the left front also went on to say that the Congress party had failed to accommodate the other alliance partner in the states where they have lost. If they would have accommodated the other alliance partner, the picture would have been different currently.
Right. So is a change now necessary in the opposition bloc? The Congress doesn't think so. However, the voices that have been growing as far as the clamour for Mamata Banerjee to lead the opposition bloc. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. Let's